Hey guys, good afternoon. Yeah, we are going to Salamander Shopping Center. The time now is around 2:30, no, 3 o'clock, something like that. This morning I wake up at around 6 o'clock and I went outside to film Tagalog vlog. Nothing special, the same like roaming around the area and explaining things in Tagalog. We are walking today because I'm planning to buy something more than the usual, and I will not be able to put that in the bike. Oh, there are things here that are for to throw in the garbage, and it's already booked for collection. Some of these are still usable. That will go for the recycling. The buses here, or the public transportation, and they are usually coming on time, so there is no time is being wasted. Yeah, there is no heavy traffic, something like that. Or if in case the bus is late, there is always a notice in the app. Just like this time, I checked the app and it says that the bus will be late in 10 minutes. Supposed to be coming by 3:22, and it is now coming by 3:32. Yeah. Just get down from that bus and we're going to eat in maybe KFC later. Harvey Norman is just beside the gym where I used to work out before. Yeah. And actually I'm going to buy a smart TV, and this is the one. Now I am waiting for the taxi. Nice. Yeah, Mr. Richard is coming. It's like this. If you can see this one, it says energy rating 116 kilowatt hour per year. 2018 new smart TV bid AA. 3 years warranty. This will be the temporary TV position. Yeah. And the other one is here. Both of them are connected to the antenna, so both of them has a reception and can take a TV show, the local TV show. Yeah, the TV works very well. I am satisfied at the moment. I explored already some of the few things and I'm really satisfied. If you look at this remote control, yeah, you're going to see that there is a dedicated button for the Netflix and YouTube. And I use the YouTube. By just one click, it will open the YouTube. And there are many options. Nice. I don't have Netflix because I don't watch much movies. Yeah. And most of what I'm watching are just YouTube, like the travel videos of the foreigner in the Philippines mostly. I don't know why I'm not watching the travel videos of the foreigners in Australia. Yeah, there are not so much travelers here in Australia. I don't know. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not going to have this copy. And the previous one that I have is this one. This is Nescafe Blend 43. And there are a few more inside, but yeah, I'm not going to use this. The packaging of this Mokona is really nice. As you can see, you can use again this glass. Oh, this is strong. Strong? Or maybe I just put too much. Yeah, it is now 9:40. And yeah, I already explored the TV and it is nice. Yeah. So basically this is connected to the antenna. Yeah. And I just plug it in there. And also the power cord is connected. And it's connected there. So basically when you unbox the TV, all you need to do is just put the leg or the stand, and then connect it to the power cord and the cable, or if you have an antenna you can do that. And when you switch it on, they will ask you for the setup, like the country where you are in, the time, the date, things like that. Also it is going to ask for the Wi-Fi, and yeah, you need to put the password, things like that. And then once everything is set up, and you can actually just power on with this remote control. And look at this remote control. So as you can see, there is a dedicated button for Netflix, YouTube, and the channel, live TV, and other things that you see in the remote control. As you can see, this is switched on, and if I press this YouTube, it is going to open the YouTube. And yeah, but slow. Maybe my internet connection is slow. Yeah, let's wait a little bit. Yeah. So it's like that. And if you want to sign in, you can sign in. And yeah, so basically these are some of the related videos that I am watching. Look at that. And you can control that also using this if you want to search for something. Yeah, so those are some of the videos that I'm watching, and I'm watching my video. Look at this. This is my one. Oh, it's a little slow. I am sure it is just because of my internet connection. Yeah, my internet connection is slow. Good morning, guys. It is now 11 o'clock. You know, there are some viewers of my blog who are sending me pictures of me in the big TV, and I am shy because they see me in a very big screen. Yeah. I'm a little shy, and that's also one of the reason why I buy a big TV. I don't know. Yeah, I am not the only person walking this. Yeah, then that's it. Oh, and the other thing, if you want to go on the live TV, I mean in the national TV, you just press this. And yeah, this is basically the antenna. This is the local TV channel here. Yeah. And there are other options. There are different menu like this. You can watch Netflix, Stan, YouTube, SBS On Demand, TED. Let's have a look at TED. I haven't seen the other channel here like TED and other cartoons. I don't. Here, look at this. Yeah, some of these are requiring for you to register or to log in. I don't know, like this one. Yeah, I think you will enjoy the smart TV. It is. I forgot to wash the dishes. Yeah. Good afternoon, guys. We are going to work now. Yeah, up in the hill they are still doing some improvements on the roads and the pavement. Yeah, do you know that my landlord fixed that? Yeah, the stand of my bike. Yeah, because you know I was inside and then I noticed him that are noticing the bike that is leaning on the post of the house. Yeah, he checked and he noticed the stand is broken. Yeah, and later on he came back and he is fixing that. Yeah, and he actually put the other kind of screw. Yeah, this kind of screw which is not really the one, but no, it's so good, it's working. Yeah, alternative one. Nice. I said that, thank you very much. Yeah, I still have 30 minutes, but I will be staying here for around 10 minutes and then we'll go to work.